Okay, students, let us go to the problem. The problem is the probability that the life of a bulb is 100 days is 0.05. Okay, find the probability that out of 6 bulbs, at least one to have 100 days life or none to have 100 days life, and greater than 4 to have 100 days, and the bulbs number of bulbs between 1 and 3 to have 100 days. Okay, here in this problem given that a bulb to have 100 days life, probability is given by 0.05. Okay, that is probability that a bulb to have 100 days life is equal to 0.05, means 5 by 100, that is 1 by 20 is the probability for a bulb to have 100 days. Okay, therefore P is equal to 1 by 20. Okay, for the success probability is 1 by 20. Now let us do first one, at least one, that is okay. First of all, let us recall binomial distribution table. Here n is 6. Okay, n is 6, there are n 6 bulbs, therefore n is equal to 6. As per the binomial distribution formula is x b of x and p is equal to n c x probability for success and 1 minus probability for failure, 1 minus p, n minus x. Okay, now let us go to first elementary problem, that is at least one. At least one means p of probability when success x is greater than or equal to 1, at least 1. Okay, that is p of x is greater than or equal to 1 means p of x is equal to 2 plus p of x is equal to 3 plus p of x is equal to 4 up to p of x is equal to 6. But also we can also write down it as 1 minus p when success is 0. Okay, probability when success is 0. Okay, that is we are excluding 0 successes from total probability. Okay, this value is given by 1 minus nc0, I mean 6c0 p power of 0. Here p means 1 by 20, 1 by 20 power of 0, and 1 minus 1 by 20, 6 minus 0. Okay, that is 1 minus 60 means 1, 1 by 20 power of 0 means 1, 1 minus 1 by 20, 20 minus 1, 19 by 20 whole power of 6. Okay, this is the probability that a light bulb, at least one bulb out of 6 bulbs to have a life of 100 days. Okay, now let us go to second elementary problem. Second one is we need to find out the probability to have none of the bulbs to have a life or time of 100 days. Okay, that is probability when x is equal to 0 successes, 0 success. Okay, that is nc0, 6c0. Okay, 1 by 20 power of 0, 1 minus 1 by 20 power of 6 minus 0, that is 19 by 20 whole power of 6. Okay, now we need to find out the probability when greater than 4. Light bulbs are strictly greater than 4, that is probability when x is strictly greater than 4. means P of x is equal to 5 successes plus P of x is equal to 6 successes. Okay, P of x is equal to 5 means 6 C 5 1 by 20 power of 5 1 minus 1 by 20 power of 6 minus 5 plus x is equal to 0 successes 6 C 6 1 by 20 power of 6 1 minus 1 by 20 power of 6 minus 6. Okay, that is 6 C 5 1 by 20 power of 5 19 by 20 whole power of 1 plus 6 C 6 means 1 1 by 20 power of 6 19 by 20 whole power of 0 means 1. Okay, its value is 1 by 20 power of 6 1 by 20 power of 5 into 1 by 20 1 by 20 power of 6 plus 19 plus here 19 into 6C5 6C5 means 19 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 by 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, 19 into 6 is equal to 114. Therefore 114 plus 19 by 20 whole power of 0 means 1. Okay, here 1 by 20 power of 5 into 1 by 20 1 by 20 power of 6 and 1 by 20 power of 6. 1 by 20 power of 6 is common in both of these terms. Okay, therefore we have to take it as common. Okay, here we have 114, here we have 1. Okay, that is 115 by 20 power of 6. It is the probability for having 100 days of life where x is greater than 4. Okay, now the probability whenever 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. Okay, that is P probability when x is equal to 1 plus probability when x is equal to 2 plus probability when x is equal to 3. Okay, that is 6C1 probability when x is equal to 1. Here probability is 1 by 20 1 by 20 power of 1 19 by 20 power of, this is the probability for failure, 19 by 20. It is nothing but 1 minus 1 by 20. 6 minus 1 5 plus 6C 2 successes, x is equal to 2. 1 by 20 whole square 19 by 20 6 minus 2 4 plus probability when x is equal to 3 successes, probability is 1 by 20 3 successes 19 by 24 failures 3 failures. Okay, on solving this expression we will get 19 by 20 whole cube 19 whole cube by 20 whole power of 6 into 2471. Okay, Now let us go to second problem. Find the maximum n such that the probability of getting no head in tossing a coin n times is greater than 0.5. Okay, find the maximum n for getting no head. No head. You know what is the probability for getting a head? It is 1 by 2. P is equal to probability for getting a head is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, but given that probability for getting no head, probability must be greater than 0.5. Okay, given that here getting head is a success. Okay, but for no success, that is no head, probability is must be greater than 0.1. Okay, that is 1 by 10. Okay, p of x is equal to 0 greater than 1 by 10. Here n is 10. Okay, sorry, n times we have to find out n, such n. Therefore, for p of x is equal to 0, as per the binomial distribution, we have n c 0 successes, p power of 0, 1 minus p power of n minus 0 greater than 1 by 10. We need to find the value of n. nc0 means 1, p power of 0, p power of 0 means 1, 1 minus p is 1 by 2, probability for getting head, 1 minus 1 by 2. It is the probability for getting failure, that is it is probability for getting toss. Okay, toss means tail, 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power of n should be greater than 1 by 10, that is 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 power of n is greater than 1 by 10. Now take n is equal to 1, that is n is equal to 1 implies that 1 by 2 whole power of 1 is equal to 1 by 2. It is less than 1 by 10, sorry, greater than 1 by 10. Okay, but you have to find out the maximum n. This is also greater than 1 by 10, but we must get maximum n such that in tossing a coin n times that must be greater than 0.1. Now n is equal to 2, that is 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4. It is also greater than 1 by 10. Okay, compare the denominators to get inequality. N is equal to 3. When n is equal to 3, 1 by 3 whole square. Okay, sorry, 1 by 2 whole cube, and will be replaced by 3, that is 1 by 8. This is also greater than 1 by 10. N is equal to 4, 1 by 2 whole power of 4, that is 1 by 16. This is not greater than 1 by 10, less than 1 by 10. Therefore, the maximum n such that 1 by 2 whole power of n, 1 by 2 whole power of n is greater than 1 by 10 is 3. Therefore, when n is equal to 3 or n is equal to 3 is maximum value such that probability for getting no head, probability for getting no head is greater than 1 by 10. Okay. Here n is equal to 3 is maximum value, such the probability for getting no head is greater than 1 by 10. Okay.